Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to prepare a delicious and nutritious moringa soup. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of fresh moringa leaves, 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a small piece of ginger. Also, have ready 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil, 4 cups of vegetable broth, and salt to taste. For a more substantial meal, consider adding a protein like chicken or fish. These simple components will form the base of our wonderful soup. Now that we have our ingredients, let's get them ready for cooking. Begin by washing your fresh moringa leaves thoroughly under cold running water to ensure they are clean. Next, prepare your aromatics. Roughly chop the 1 medium onion, mince the 2 cloves of garlic, and grate the small piece of ginger. If you're including a protein, cut it into small, bite-sized pieces. Having everything prepped beforehand makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. With our ingredients prepped, it's time to cook. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pot over medium heat. Add the chopped onion, minced garlic, and grated ginger, sautéing until fragrant, which takes about 2 minutes. Then, stir in the moringa leaves and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until they are slightly wilted. Pour in the 4 cups of vegetable broth, bring it to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat, cover, and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. This allows all the wonderful flavors to meld beautifully. Our moringa soup is almost ready. Now is the time to season it with salt and pepper to your personal preference. If you enjoy a creamier texture, you can carefully blend about 1/3 of the soup before returning it to the pot. For a fresh finish, garnish each serving with some fresh cilantro or a squeeze of lime juice. Serve your warm, comforting, and incredibly nutritious moringa soup immediately and enjoy this wholesome meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.